Hello, we're looking at basic formatting and tools for essay writing in Word. The first tool I'd like to look at shows the hidden formatting in a Word document. This can be really useful if things aren't in the right place to work out what's going on. You can see things like spaces or where you've pressed the return key, as well as tabs and other hidden features. They don't print out, and you can turn it off again if they're getting in the way. If you need a section to start on a new page, don't just press the return key lots of times, as this will create problems later on if you make the paragraphs above shorter or longer. The better way to do things is to get just before the thing you want on a new page and use Insert and Page Break. That guarantees that this will be at the top of a new page, regardless of how long the material above is. Also on the Insert menu is the Page Number command to add page numbers to the bottom or top of your pages. Another tool that's really useful for sorting out the formatting is the Format Painter. Find a piece of text that looks the way you want it to, double-click the Format Painter, and then everything you sweep over will match the formatting of the original. Click on it to turn it off afterwards. A lot of work will need to be presented in 1.5 or double spacing. You can change an individual paragraph by clicking somewhere in the paragraph and using this tool on the Home menu to change the spacing. If you need to change the whole document, the Select All on the Home menu or Control and A as a shortcut will select all the text in the document, and then you can apply the spacing of your choice. Often margins will need to be changed. On the Layout menu, you have margins. You have presets such as narrow or wide. And if you want to get a bit more complicated, you can go on to Custom Margins, type in the exact amounts you want for each of the margins, and press OK. If you're doing a piece of work that's going to be bound, you'll probably want to turn on Mirror Margins, which refers to inside and outside rather than left and right, as the inside is the binding area. Normally you want that to be a little bit larger to allow space for the binding. When you're making notes on your work, you may want to go onto the Review menu and use Comments, as these provide an easy way of tracking things still to do. You can add a comment in. When you no longer need the comment, you can simply delete it. Lastly, make sure you save your work in OneDrive. It's automatically backed up and contains multiple versions. In the File menu, when you first save, your OneDrive should be listed. If you're not on a university computer, you may have to log in to Office 365 using your full university email address and standard password, and then you'll be able to add things into your own OneDrive space. One of the other advantages of storing your work in OneDrive is that you can access it via the browser, and you can even edit your work without needing Word on the machine. More help is available on our website, along with details of how to book tutorial sessions and times for our drop-in clinic.